What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make or create desktop shortcuts on your Windows 11 PC. Now guys, if you go ahead and you click on your Windows icon on your taskbar, you will have a bunch of pin icons here which are different applications. Let's use Edge for example, and if I go ahead and I drag it onto my desktop, you realize that it does not allow me to drag any of these applications to my desktop to create a shortcut. However, if you click on the all apps on the upper right hand side, you will be seeing now all of your applications, and I'm talking all the installed applications on your computer. Now by doing this guys, you can now create shortcuts by simply dragging any one of these icons to your desktop. Have a look at that. Very easy. So all you have to do, just click the Windows icon, click on all apps, and you will find all of the applications that are on your computer. It doesn't matter what it is. You can just simply go ahead and you can drag them and it will create a desktop icon on your computer. Very easy and very simple. And there you have it guys. That's how easy it is to make a desktop shortcut icon in Windows 11. So guys, I hope you found this useful, and if you do, you can go ahead, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.